Hi guys, Link from Gardening Express here, and today I'd like to talk to you about the Cordyline Australis Verde. Now this plant adds instant structure and all year round greenery to your garden. It has these beautiful sword-like leaves in this really rich green colour, which makes it fantastic for borders, patio pots, or even just as a centrepiece. You can plant this in full sun or light shade, but it does need a little bit of watering while it's young to keep it nice and established. But once it's established, it's actually drought tolerant, so it doesn't need as much at all. It is very low maintenance, which means you don't really have to take all that much care of it. But in the winter, you might want to consider putting in some level of protection, as it can get a little bit cold. So if you're looking for a plant that's strong, stylish and easy to care for, then the Cordyline Verde is the perfect plant for your garden. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, or even check out our Knowledge Hub for helpful tips and tricks on keeping your garden looking great. See you next time.